Hakajiya linti ke election jet nongmi khaman jang yeng dorbar thau ain ke jila Meghalaya house nem 8,000 banwan Call India Trinamool Congress kala palat pat ba ek Meghalaya Financial Inclusion for Women Empowerment Scheme kabadai ke jingra pisa ka ba 6,000 tyngka bnai shaman ka longkmie jang ka wei pa ka wei ka long yeng hakajilla kani ka scheme an bentrai kamling ba ka we card ba ka jing thmu ka long ban ai bor ki longkmie ki belong ki nong pet but nong pen bet pen biang ha ki long yeng La pelipat ba ikini scheme da Mamta Banerjee chairperson ke AITC ha jingalang ka party State Central Library Shillong ha ka khalai tarik unok pra 8,000 RPR. Ha bakren ha jingalang ka Mamta ka laong ba ka kwa ba ka Meghalaya kan kiyo shakmat lada ke AITC ka wan ha ka board senshar hadin ka election MLA 8,000 RPulai. Kala therting eru ye ka jing kno ba ke AITC ka party Bengali ha ba wat ka jingrwai la ka riru ka de ka blashna u Bengali ka tao Rabindranath Tagore. Kiwei kibla Aijing Kren but kibla Yodon Lanki Kintup yo Abhishek Banerjee, National Secretary ke AITC, u Dr. Mukul Sangma, Nongilam Kalyang Persha, u ba Charles Pingrop, Hagajing Don Lang MLA ka party, kinong kit kam but kiwei pat.
Yes.
Charles?
There is a news rumor. What rumor? Trinamool Congress is a Bengali party. If Trinamool Congress, All India Trinamool Congress is a Bengali party, then why do you song for Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, the national song? He is from Bengal. But the song is a national song for all over the country. Rabindranath Tagore visited so many times in Meghalaya. It was his favorite place. But national song also, who have written this? Rabindranath Tagore. And now it is for all India. Jana Gana Mana Udinaya Jayo He. You tell me Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. His slogan is Joy Hind. Can you say that he is only Bengali? Mother Teresa also got Nobel Prize from Calcutta. Can you say that he is a Bengali? Why do we divide the caste to caste? Religions to religions. Let us work together. Let us think together. Let us speak together. I think Trinamool Congress, BJP is jealous because they tried their best in our election also. What they have not done? Everything. Misusing the power. But at least we have got 2/3 majority. They cannot defeat us. And Meghalaya also I am telling you, when I started Trinamool Congress party, 98, after 2 months, they are at the parliament election. People even were not aware about the flag, about the symbol. They were watching, waiting. But first time we have got the 7 MPs. Now I have 36 MPs. And they raised your voice. Already they raised the voice of Meghalaya. At Trinamool Congress, it is not West Bengal Trinamool Congress. It's All India Trinamool Congress. Why do we say Trinamool? Trinamool means the grassroots. Without the block leaders, you cannot survive. Without the volunteers, you cannot survive. Without the grassroots workers, you cannot survive. That's why we said that all the leaders of Trinamool, they are not the leaders. My workers are the leaders.